What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back, and as you can see, we have more accessories, and we're going to be talking specifically about this device right here, which this is the Amazon Fire 10. This is the 2019 edition, and I'm going to be showing you some accessories that is going to make this device that much better to use. So let's check them out. So the first thing on the list that I want to show you guys is the official Amazon case. This is officially by Amazon, specifically made for the Fire HD 10 2019. Now, as you can notice, it does have a hinge-like device, which we'll talk about in just a little bit. You get a nice hard plastic backing, nice hard back right there, so you're not going to have any issues if you drop this. I'm just going to take this off, let that stand down. Let's go ahead and put this tablet over in here. So basically it's just gonna snap in like that. You do get an auto sleep wake feature. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna open it back up. You get your auto sleep wake. So we got it open. Auto sleep wake is a big thumbs up. Now I told you about this little hinge back here. Once you flip this around, it is actually magnetic. So you can see it's clamping back there, and you get this mode right here, which you can use this as your reading mode. Or you can stand it up just like so, and you're gonna get your entertainment mode. And in this mode, that's where you can watch your videos, play your games, and things of that nature. Now, speaking of gaming, I'm gonna do a full tutorial on this in just a little bit, but this device right here, the 8BitDo, this is one of the best controllers that I've had. I've had this for many years, and if you want to play video games on your Amazon Fire 10, feel free. Now, there are tons of things that you can download, such as emulators, but one of my favorite called Happy Chick. Now, Happy Chick is basically games that you can download from a server online, and it's from all types of backgrounds. So once you get over into here, you're just going to find the game that you want to play. You're going to set your tablet back up in this standing mode, just like so. You're going to press that. The game is actually just going to start up. You'll take your controller and you will basically just start to play. So it's basically an emulator that you can download ROMs for from all those different platforms, and you can use this controller to play any of those games. We'll go over that in another video, but this is one of the best accessories that you can get for this tablet. So since we have a stand and we've already seen the controller as well, what we now want to do is look at some type of audio device. So I suggest the Empow Recoloring. These are headphones, Bluetooth headphones, or wired headphones that you can use with this device. Now, these headphones give you good, crisp, clear sound. And like I said, they connect through the Bluetooth method, or they can use this, a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is missing from some tablets nowadays, but the headphone jack is still intact right up top. So feel free to use these, whether they're wired or they're Bluetooth. You're going to get a good connection. You're going to get great sound from these. This is the Empow Recoloring. I'll drop a link below so you can check these out. So if you actually need to transfer data between devices, I recommend this. This is the Gearit Hub. Now, this hub is connected through USB Type-C, and you see it has a 90-degree angle. Once you plug it in, you're going to get access to all these ports. You have a standard SD card, micro SD card, 1, 2, 3 USB 3.0s, and you even have an HDMI. This supports power pass-through, fast charging, and like I said, you got a 90-degree angle, so you're not hindered at any time. You just plug it in, sit it to the side, sit it on front, wherever you want this to go. It's not in the way. There are no issues with this, and it's not going to drain your power from your device. So the Gearit Hub is a really good accessory for you to pick up for your Fire HD 10. Also, with your Gearit Hub, like I said, you're going to plug in directly through the USB 3.0. You're going to swipe down, and it's already there. So everything that I have on that thumb drive is already showing up right here in this window. And when you get done, you just hit eject. Once it ejects, feel free to take it out. So everything is going to be good to go with the Gearit Hub. And last but not least, you need a great way to charge this because the Amazon Fire HD10 comes with a USB Type-C to USB. So this is a great device to use as a charger. This is the TechSmarter 30-watt charger. It's going to have a USB Type-C up here that charges up to 30 watts, and it has a S Plus port right here, USB quick charge 3.0. It's going to get you that quick charge that you need, and it's not going to overcharge your device or overheat it. So once it gets to that 100% max, it's going to shut itself down and going to keep from harming your device. So this is from TechSmarter. I'm going to drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. So that about wraps it up. You have the Empower recoloring. This is the 2019 version. You have chargers from the company TechSmarter, which is going to allow you to charge via USB Type-C and quick charge USB 3.0. You have a hub here that has several ports. It's about a 7-in-1 from the company Geared. It also supports a 100-watt power pass-through charge. You actually have the official Amazon case that's going to give you 2 separate modes. You're going to get the actual standing mode for reading, and you're going to get the actual tablet or the entertainment mode for watching movies and videos, things of that nature. And then you have your controller over here, 8BitDo Pro. This is going to allow you to play video games on this device. And like I said, we're going to do a video on that a little bit later on so I can show you how that actually works. So in my book, these are all great accessories for you to have for the Amazon Fire HD10. So I'll drop links below to all these devices so you can check them out for yourself. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.